Good morning, students. Today I discuss the second and third category. ASA means angle, side angle. One triangle ABC, second triangle PQR. Angle B equals to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R, and including side BC equals to QR. Such type of the category is called the angle, side angle. First case, A B C equals to angle PQR. Angle ACB equals to angle PRQ, and BC equals to QR, so that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by SAS A category. In a different box, having the three cases it arises. Case 2. If AB is greater than PQ. AB is greater than PQ. Such that means PQ is the smaller than AB. So we just constructions QP extend to T and draw or meet to TR. आप इसको बढ़ाते हो और T तक और T से R को मिला देते हो. In cases angle in triangle ABC and triangle TQR, where angle ABC equals to angle PQR, BC equals to QR, and AB equals to QT. So AB triangle ABC congruent to triangle TQR by SAS category. Then by CTCT, angle ACB equals to angle TRQ. That is the by the CPCT corresponding part from the congruent triangle. But PRQ ACB is equals to the angle PRQ. Equals to angle TRQ. Means same PRQ and angle TRQ. TRQ. Both the angle are the same. Means in which cases the both angle are same. In which cases the T lies to the P. In such cases that both the angles are equal. Then also we can prove that angle side angles. Next case, if AB is less than PQ, means PQ is the greater than AB. So in constructions, AB equals to QT and draw RT. So in triangle ABC and triangle TQR, angle ABC equals to angle TQR, QBC is equal to QR, and AB equals to QT. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle QTR by SAS. Then angle ACB equals to angle TRQ and ACB equals to angle PRQ equals to angle TRQ. ACB equals to angle PRQ given. So triangle, in such cases again we say that T lies on A. In such cases see R, angle R are the same. So we say that QT equals to QP. Then three cases are derived. Next, today I discuss of some different type of the questions based on the angle, side angle, side or angle side angles. So one question, L and M are the two parallel lines and P and Q also a parallel line. They are intersected to each other. So prove that triangle ABC and DCB, ABC and DCDA both are the congruent triangle. Prove that in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, angle ABC, ACB equals to angle CAD. Alternate interior angle when L parallel to M and AC is transversal. angle BAC equals to angle ACD, also alternate angle, interior angle, but where the P and Q is the parallel and AC be transverse. First one, and AC is common. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA by ASA. Next questions, in given that in written in the short form whether the BCD are equals to the ADC. ADC means angle 1 equals to angle 2. ACB and BDA. So prove that AD, BC, angle A and angle B. So first in triangle ACD and triangle BCD. Given angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Given. So if we both are adding, so angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to angle 2 plus angle 4, or we also written that angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle ACD equals to 2 plus 4 BDC. So first condition ACD and BDC settled. Angle 1 and angle 2. Also here the angle 1 equals to angle 2 and CD is common. ACD. If we write, draw the for different type of questions. ACD. BDC. Then just two different figures we draw on the same triangle. एक ही इसी फिगर का मैंने दो डिफरेंट फिगर बना के दिखा रहा तुमको आप लोगों को कि ACD full ACD is angle equals to BDC. So BDC. Next, one angles of BDC and two angle from the ADC. One and three, 2 or 4, angle 2. That's the form here. We separate, they comes here 1 and 1. So we see that 1 plus 2, 1 is equal to 2. If we adding that 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4. So the complete angle where the BDC and ACD. So we say that triangle ACD congruent to triangle BCD by ASA. Two angles, one angle and two angle, one angle and two angle, and common sides. So we say that both the triangle are congruent with the angle side. And next questions, the first. So we say that AD equals to AD is equal to BC by CPC, and both the angles are also equal. So angle A is equal to angle BB by CPC. Next questions is given that BL perpendicular to AC, BL perpendicular to AC and NC is perpendicular to LM. AL is equals to CM and BL is equal to NC. So prove that triangle ABC and NNL, A, B, C and M and L are the common. So how to prove that? First, of all we take the triangle BLC and triangle NCL. And given that angle BLC equals to angle NCL is equal to 90 degree. BLA plus angle BLC is equal to 180 degree straight line. So similarly, angle BLA and BLC. So angle BLC बराबर 90 degree. Similarly, we say that the NCL is equal to 90 degree. Next is given that BL equals to NC and LC be common. So both the triangles are congruent with the help of triangle BLC congruent to triangle NCL by side angle side. Then if both the triangles are congruent, in such cases angle BCL equals to angle NLC by CPC, because BL are equal, so opposite angles are that NC equals to BL, so that angle are also equal. Next, in triangle, next more situations are there. NL बराबर BC, NL equals to BC. In also by CPCT. In triangle ABC and triangle MNL, BC equals to NL above proved. Next, angle BCL or BCA equals to angle NLM, because that angle are also we call the BCL or BCA, NLC or NLM. Again about and AC equals to ML, because AL equals to CM and LCB common. We also written that AC equals to AL plus LC, and AC is equal to also written that CM plus LC. Again ML बराबर CM plus LC. So AC is equal to ML is AC is equal to ML. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle MNL by which property? Side angle sum.